Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Adelaida Fernando Villegas, better known by her stage name Dili Ate-Atayan or Adelaida Fernando, was a legendary Filipino comedian and singer whose career spanned 7 decades. Born on March 17, 1914 in Tondo, Manila, she was the daughter of painter Amado Fernando and singer Carmen Marquez. Her younger brother Ading Fernando also became a prominent figure in the Filipino entertainment industry as a comedian and director. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Ate-Atayan's career in entertainment began in the 1930s after she dropped out of high school and ventured into the world of show business. She started as a kundiman singer at the Palace Theater in Manila. Her early career also included performing with a vaudeville troupe from 1930 to 1934, where she earned the title of the Queen of Laughs. Nagpatuloy siya sa pag-arte sa mga pelikula sa buong dekada na lumabas sa mahigit 300 na pelikula noong nagretiro siya noong 1994. Isa rin siyang fixture sa radyo kung saan nakilala siya sa kanyang mga comedic roles, kasama na ang kanyang trabaho sa sikat na radio program na Tang Tarang Tang. Habang siya ay minamahal para sa kanyang malawak na hanay ng mga pagtatanghal, ang papel ni Ate-Atayan bilang Dunya Delilah sa iconic Filipino sitcom na John and Marcia from 1973 to 1990 ay nagpatibay sa kanyang pamana sa kulturang popular na Pilipino. The sitcom, created by her brother Ading, revolved around the antics of John Porontong, played by Dolphy, and his interactions with his imperious mother-in-law, Doña Delilah. Ate-Atayan's portrayal of the wealthy, disapproving matriarch became the archetypal mother-in-law figure, and her famous catchphrase, "Magsumikap ka," became a classic line in Filipino sitcom history. She also played a significant role in the sitcom Iskol Bukol, where she portrayed the mother of Vic Ognasis, played by Vic Soto. Her character's affectionate term for her son, Bunsoy, meaning youngest child, became a popular catchphrase in Filipino households. Nagretiro si Ate-Atayan sa entertainment industry noong 1994 pagkatapos ng kanyang huling pelikulang Chick Boy. Sa kasamaang palad, siya ay nakaratay sa loob ng 2 taon bago siya magretiro at ang kanyang kalusugan ay bumaba hanggang siya ay pumanaw noong August 30, 2004 sa Parañaque Medical Hospital. Her comedic talents, memorable catchphrases, and heartfelt performances left an indelible mark on Filipino television, film, and radio, making her one of the most beloved entertainers in the country's history. Ate-Atayan's career is remembered for its enduring impact on Filipino entertainment, and she continues to be a cherished figure in the hearts of many. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Aristotle, the ideal man bears the accident of life with dignity and grace, making the best of circumstances. Shout out and thanks again to the comment of Kevin Mikel all the way from Scotland. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Google, https://en.wikipedia.org, photo credits to https://web.facebook.com, and inspirational quote credits to https://graciousquotes.com.